let's see, Ennio Merricone, yeah. Okay, well, my throat is sore, so yep, we are going to the Wild West and we're going to make barrels and big sticky plants.
Cacti.
What?
Cacti.
Cacti.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make cacti. I said it. Big cacti. Yeah. Hey, big sticky plants. Okay, so for this we will be using the barrel cactus jig. Very simple jig. Let's show you how it goes. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okie dokie. So obviously we first need blocks. So I got my templates. Nice. That one is off?
No, it's on.
Oh, okay, okay. Off we go. Ooh. Okay, this is a slightly thicker wire, 0.3, but it was at full power, which wasn't good. So I adjusted that. So okay, we have a rectangle long block. And now for the exact length. One and two. That's nice. So okay, so let's start with the barrel shape first. There you go. Great. That's one. So this we can transform in barrels, but I can also use it, as you can see, as a very large cactus. But before I convert this in whatever, let's also cut the other side very quickly, so I have the two main shapes to work with. Okie dokie. Okay, so here we have the two. First of all, let's make a barrel. So let me see. Okay. Okay. Markings. Okay. Number one. Number two. That's one. Okay. Looks good. And let's do another one. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Perfect. Okay, barrel number one. Okay, so this is the large barrel, as you can see. Sure, I can make a smaller one, or an even smaller one. I have this template to press in, and here, this mark where the metal ring should be for all the three barrels. You can also do it on the top instead of more to the center, and these little discs you can use for pressing in the lid of the barrel. Obviously you can do the other side as well. I can cut them in half, I can place them on the side, on top, I can stack them. So yeah, that's a really fun thing. So onto the next part, transforming something like this in a cactus, in a sticky plant. So these are the two parts I can work with. This is great. Now actually, this you might already like this one, meaning that this is a very strange cactus, but hey, why not? And you can make a whole set of them, but I think it's more fun when you do something like a bulb one on the side and giving them a few branches and stuff. So yeah, let's do that. Let's make a what's smaller but thick old cactus. Okay, that's nice. And now cutting away the top end. Doesn't look that great, I can sand it a bit, but if I really don't like it, I can also remove that part. So, well, this could be number one. And I can actually say, okay, I put this very thin one on top. Not sure yet. Oh, well, let's try something else. Let's get this one. Yep. Oh. Yep. That's good. So actually I can, normally I think if you want to work quick, this is a perfect project for using hot glue. But hey, this is good. So, okay, this is great. And why not get this one. Okay. Maybe I want a steeper angle. Very good. Let's do that. There you go. Which is good. So let's do that. Definitely hot glue gun for this project is perfect. But I have it somewhere else, so let's do it like this. And maybe, let me see. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay. Yep, that's very nice. Cutting away, so I have a larger area that can actually be glued against the other part. Okay. That has to do. Okay. Good. Now we can argue about how this one looks. Please argue, but not with me. So yeah, so this is a very strange cactus, but now I can already imagine a project for this jig. So I will very soon get back to my block challenge. Yeah, how did I call it? The
basic block.
The basic block challenge. So I will get back to my basic block challenge, and I was thinking about making a out of this basic block, making a hacienda. So they have a lot of cacti growing around, but it is a hacienda which makes cactus whiskey. So perfect for my jig. I need cactus, I need a lot of barrels and a hacienda. So that's a cool idea. But not quite there yet. There is something I would like to show you. If you look closely at the one I did already you see some markings. I will show you how that's done. And by the way, a metal brush for your wood grain is perfect. It's very fine. You can also exaggerate. This was made using a very sharp pencil. So these are the options you can both use very well. So I take a pen. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is a very thin metal. And what I can do now is actually press in these little round things. Not sure. I can do them all the same, like the 4, they are all the same height. I can also differ, like do it more irregular, like this. And actually, if you combine them, that's also fine. So that's a nice thing. But here it's way thinner. So just take a little round wooden stick, like a toothpick or something, not with a very sharp point, but actually by simply pressing in little dents, you get some nice texture. And if you have some red, yellow flock, take a little piece of that and glue it on, so it might look like some kind of flower. But anyway, here you have a nice, more or less textured cactus plant. Okay, so I have a lot of ideas. Like in the Caribbean, I once saw, well, I did see a lot of houses there, and they had so many cacti plants that they use them as a fence, which I think is fun. So I think I will go loose on the basic block challenge, Hacienda Cactus Rum Whiskey Brewery, and show you what I come up with. Okay, so this is the cactus jig. A lot of fun. Another thing that comes to mind is, imagine this is cut in half. They might even could be pillars. So if someone out there maybe at some point works with it and did some other fun stuff with these shapes, let me know. Let me know, because I think there's a lot more to explore. Okay, that's it. It's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video.